Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm doing a process video for today. It is just a normal card, just one that you want to send to a friend that you're thinking of, just to say, hey, I'm thinking of you. So I'm using this die as like a background piece, and I'm making a hibiscus flower, and I did a Friday Flowers demoing how to put this together, so I don't show that in the video, but I do use it as an embellishment. So what I wanted to show you is there are pieces in the set that don't come in the set. You have to buy these individually, so I do use this as an accent piece with that flower. So this doesn't come in the set, it's an individual piece, but I'll link it in the description box below if you want to also pick this up. This I do not use, but it is sold separately, and this is the 6-piece set that makes the hibiscus flower, and I use this as an accent along with the flower, and this is the part that puts the flower together. So I use that, and I use a Hibiscus pen, and I also use an embossing folder and a stamp to finish off the card. So sit back and enjoy the process. Okay, here's the finished card. It turned out so pretty. I did put some Hibiscus on the flower to give it some sparkly, accent. Sometimes flowers get, a little moistened, so I thought that would look really nice. So I'll include some pictures at the end. If you do need to know how to make this flower, I did do a Friday Flowers, so I'll include a link to demo how to put the flower together. I didn't want to just repeat the same tutorial. So, you know, I just showed how the card was put together in this video. All right, thanks for joining me. Have a fabulous day.